Grandpa? Can you hear me?
Some of the most important moments in life arrive quietly. 70 years ago in Denmark, two men made a bold decision to build something of their own, to challenge what was possible, to deliver the most natural sound, to bring back the gift of hearing. We made bold decisions, breakthrough innovations, relentless technical progress. We became technological leaders, not because it was easy, but because people deserved the very best solutions. Yet, this was never only about technology. It was about a philosophy, a belief that in natural hearing, less is more, that every sound deserves respect, not to overpower the world, but to reproduce it, pure, accurate, complete. As the world became louder, more complex, our responsibility is greater than ever, to protect what has always defined us, natural sound, and conquer the complexity of modern life. Because it's about being part of the moment, the conversation, life. 70 years of building connection, and the best is yet to come.